Hey, sweeties, I just got off the beautiful Symphony of the Seas for a wonderful cruise. Let me take you on a tour of our room. We had a balcony room, room 6708. Let's take a look. So let's check out and see what we have. Look at that. So it's a balcony room. We're going to start, well, let's go. Here is the bathroom and shower. Actually, that tile is really nice. But I like this little modern sink. I think this is a pretty new ship. I think it was built 2018. Time for a quick outfit change. And the bathroom is not too tight. There's a decent bit of space in here. Let's check out the shower. Yeah, see, here we go. All in. Good space, I think. To move around, not be boxed in, a little elbow room. You've got a shower wand that you can remove. Hair and body wash. If I brought my own soap, you know, gotta stay with that Dove sensitive skin. The controls there, a little something. And then there's even a place to rest your foot if you need to like shave your legs. And you can even get a glimpse of yourself in the shower. Out. Take a look at the desk. Nice little vanity stool there. Pretty. No, there's a lot of mirrors in here. A little nautical round mirror. Plenty of outlets, USB hookups. And they have a chest of drawers. Let me give you a better look at that. Oh, there it is. Thank you. I thought this was a safe, but it's a cooler, not a refrigerator. Oh, ignore that. We gotta, you can bring 2 bottles of wine per stateroom, but always check the rules. So yeah, I thought that was a lock, but it is not. So this is, or is it? I don't know what it is. Anyway, that's a cooler, not a refrigerator, but a cooler. Hair dryer, tissues, menus, in case you want a little room service. Appetizers. What's in here? All right, these are empty. So plenty of storage space. I'll take you on a tour of the rest of the ship in my next video. It really is a beautiful ship. I think you're gonna love that. Oh, I didn't get this little sitting area yet. Oh, actually I missed. So there's 2 closets. One on either side of the set. Can you move that suitcase? I'm gonna open that closet door. Open the closet door for me, please, Lee. Oh, there we go. Ample closet space on that side. And then past the settee. And more narrow storage. You got your safe over here. Nice. So You can certainly put all your stuff, some more drawers. And then our bed. You know, I like this detail where they curved the end of the bed so you can walk around it easily. I think that's a nice touch. Very nice. Can't wait to get in that bed later. And that's the safety video you hear in the background. Got our TV on the opposite wall. Very nice. And then the balcony. Head out to the balcony. Here's a video of ocean sounds and rain that I recorded right here on this balcony. It might just help you fall asleep. Oh, this is a big balcony. We're still in the cruise port, so if you look across the street to the Royal Caribbean cruise port, they've got a putting green out there. That's pretty cool. So we just boarded and we are about to set sail. The Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. I think that's Norwegian down there. Look back out on the city of Miami. The Zaha Hadid designed tower right there. And now we're about to set sail. In my next video, I will take you on a ship-wide tour of Symphony of the Seas. We'll take a look at the buffets, the restaurants, just all over. We'll even pop on to Coco Cay. Perfect day at Coco Cay for a bit. So come on back, please subscribe to Sweet Savant and have a delicious day. Actually, I think it's Coco Key, but that doesn't rhyme. Coco Key, perfect day at Coco Cay, you know.